Don't mind me, I'm just sitting here drinking some fun lemonade. Look at how adorable this card is. You know what? It is even a card. Look at this. Whoa! I know, it's amazing. It is one of our brand new items that we are releasing. Let me show you all the fun we are gonna have. So you probably saw the lemonade stand for the club members, right? Well, I couldn't just stop with that. So then I added the cute little tablecloth, the cute little banners, the little ice chest, a little bag of sugar, some more fun sayings, because you know what? You can never have too many fun sayings, right? When life gets sour, sweet it with gratitude, fresh squeezed, sour you doing, get it? How are you doing? Live life with zest, citrus just got real, ice, so cute. And of course, yeah, you know, there's dies that match. Inside dies and outside dies, because you never know which way you want to do it. Then there are lots of other phrases. So we have easy peasy lemon squeezy, juice be you, you're the zest, don't be sour. When life gets hard, make hard lemonade. When life gives you lemons, throw them at someone. Or when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Or when life gives you lemons, you have lemons. Lots of different options on there. Now, I also wanted to make the lemonade stand more than just a lemonade stand. So that's what this set is for. This set is going to allow you to sell cupcakes, candy, cookies, hot chocolate, hot coffee, or kisses, or hot dogs, or ice cream, or ice, or sweet cream, or sweet, 25 cents, puppies, yummy, free, hugs, lemonade, fresh, or you can say fresh flowers, fresh lemonade, cold drinks, cold beer if you want, or advice, whatever you want. Lots of different options on that. Now, but wait, there's more. Because, hello, we needed a matching fold it. So here we have this fun, awesome. It fits in an A2 size without the straw, so pay attention to that part. But look at how cute this is. You are getting these awesome pieces here. You're getting this fun little piece here. You're getting the ice cubes, that big old straw. So awesome. Now, last but not least, because you know what? This one is awesome. I love this. The best part about this stencil set, it's two. It's dots. Use those separately if you want. It's flowers. Use those separately if you want. Or put them together and let me show you this. Look at that. Put them together and now you have limes, or you have oranges, or you have lemons. Look at how adorable that is. Isn't that fun? So there's citrus also, so it's really 3 for the price of 1, right? Because you're getting the big dots, you're getting the little flowers, or you're getting the citrus if you put them together. I know, so adorable, I love it. Okay, let's jump in and look at all these awesome samples my design team made. So here's the one I showed you before, but look, you even have that fun pattern back there. Awesome, I love it. Here's a cute one, pink lemonade, my favorite, love it. Look at that fun straw. Open it up. When life gets hard, make hard lemonade. I love that. Now let's look at some more of the little stand. Look at how cute. Here's our Nomi's back. Look at this, I love it. We have a full-on lemonade stand using our step-up card. Isn't that adorable? So cute, got a little balloon going there, so much fun. If I go too fast on any of these samples, my friends, never fear, they're all on our website in the idea gallery. So you can look at them, you can favorite them, you can even print out the ideas if you want to, and you can find out what products the designers used. Look at that, isn't that cute? Or make your own background. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? I love that. Live life with zest. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? It's a shaker, of course. Look how fun that is. Open it up. Citrus just got real. Have the zest birthday. Different color citrus on the inside. Now, something to note. You do get the wedge die, and if you put them together, all of a sudden it's a slice. Ah! Is that awesome or what? Wedge or slice? Wedge or slice? The choice is yours. Look how cute. Now, you can be a little bit more simple if you want to. Look at this one. I love that. Here's another nice one that's just a little more on the simple side, which is good. Sometimes we need those, right? Here's a cute one. We got this cute little zebra with some fun little citrus pieces out here. He's holding some lemonade and it says, "You're the zest." Isn't that cute? Oh, look at this background. Isn't that a beautiful background? I love that. Isn't that fun? Making your own background paper is so much fun. Look at that. When life gets sour, sweeten it with gratitude. Look at those cute little lemons. Here's a cute one using our dotted slimline rectangles. Don't be sour. I love it. Now let's look at some more cups. Whoa, look at that. Yummy. It just makes you want to eat some of it, right? I love that. Here we go. Here's another one. Happy birthday. Oh, here's a pretty one. Look at this one. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fun? Look at all these different options. Oh, or hello, make it some coffee. Doesn't have to be an ice drink. It can be, oh, look at the gorgeous inside of that one. But look at how pretty this is. Look at this. Does not have to be lemonade. It could be soda too. But thanks a latte. Let's get a cup of coffee. Look at that. Now, some people like iced coffee, so isn't that perfect? There is nothing better than a friend unless it is a friend with coffee. So that uses the words inside are from the coffee and the lemonade stamp set. Chocolate to stamp, coffee for 2. Totally adorable. Don't you love that? Absolutely love it. Now, club members, the cool thing is there's a bundle. If you get in on that bundle, if you don't see it on the website, and you're logged in as a club member, that means it's gone. But when I say the word bundle, that means less money. You save money. So check that out. Once it's gone forever, but you can also buy these items separately. Now, the first 24 hours, our products are on our website. Most of them, I'd say probably 90%, are on a flash sale. So you always want to get in on the first 24 hours because then you save even more money. First of all, we have everyday low prices. Then you get the flash sale price. Then you get the club price. It's like we're paying you to be our friends. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. You're going to have so much fun checking out all these awesome ideas. And don't forget, they're all in the idea gallery as well. Take care. Bye-bye.